My dear brothers and sisters, it is human to say and even to express that in planning for a future or even living our present, we have a good sense of control. Alam ko po, marami po sa atin, planado ang buhay, kontrolado ang gagawin, there is facing at every given moment. Kapag hindi pa ready, ikokontrol lang isang bagay para sa panahon na handa na, everything will be set in place. Although this could be true for every one of us, that we are good and are capable of controlling people, events, and even God. Sometimes, our capacity for control would fail. In times that we are in control, we tend to forget what God can do for us. Saint Francis of Assisi would like to usher us into this reality of giving up even our sense of control. Our readings for today would like us to see how too much control, even of God, may result us to not fully following Him and to not totally receiving goodness from Him. If Nehemiah would just dwell by controlling what the king would do and even what the Lord can do, he may not be able to see and witness the miracle of God's hand working on him. Well, Jesus pointed out in our gospel 3 unique stories of would-be disciples, each bearing a control over the desire to follow Jesus. Susunod ako, pero teka lang, ito muna yung gagawin ko. Susunod ako, pero may babalikan lang ako. Susunod ako, pero may lilingunin lang ako. Control. The poverty of Saint Francis of Assisi would teach us that too much control may blind us from God's hand working in us. By releasing our hands from the baggage of controlling events, our riches, and even our faith, like Nehemiah, we will be able to see the favoring hand of God at work. Baka hawak na hawak po natin ang mga bagay. Baka hawak na din natin kahit papaano kikilos ang Diyos. At para bang sasabihin natin sa Diyos, dito ka lang kikilos dahil ito lang yung panahon na kailangan kita. Dito ka lang magbubuhos ng grasya mo dahil sa panahon na yan, diyan kita kailangan. Sa panahon na ito, ako lang ang kikilos. We might thought of success when we control, but sometimes we are bound to fail when we let ourselves do the work rather than see what God can do. My dear brothers and sisters, we also let go of being too much in control. It might be a danger for us to see less what God is abundantly and beautifully doing for us. We give up our sense of control and begin to see things well and good when we let God take the control. Our frail hands may fail when we control, but to let God take the control, let His favors be always for us.